WaFd Bank is committed to providing banking solutions to everyone and helping the underserved in our communities who've had challenges with banking in the past. For those looking to repair or build credit, WaFd Bank offers a secured credit card. Current WaFd Bank clients may apply to build their credit and take advantage of no annual fees and no finance charges. They also have access to roadside assistance. WaFd Bank is committed to products and services to help everybody reach financial goals. Our friendly and knowledgeable bankers have the solutions to make those goals a reality.